Delivery.
Thank you. Oh wow, you even put a little garnishment.
Yeah.
Getting all fancy. It's very good.
Thank you.
Yeah, very good.
Now here's my Daxi. She's meowing. Wanted my attention. Hey guys, let's make Thai green curry today. Here are the ingredients for making Thai green curry. Cut the meat into bite-sized pieces and prepare the rest of the ingredients ahead of time. In a warm pot, add the cooking oil and heat it up for 1 to 2 minutes over high heat. Add the shallots and saute it for 1 to 2 minutes or until translucent. Add in the garlic for another 1 to 2 minutes or until the smell becomes aromatic. Then add and saute the ginger for another couple minutes. Push the condiments to the side. Add 2 tablespoons of the green curry paste. It is essential to saute the paste separately to bring out the flavor before mixing it with the rest of the ingredients. Push the sauteed ingredients once again. Then add and stir-fry the meat for 5 to 10 minutes. Cover the pot and let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Then stir continuously until meat turns lightly browned. Add 2 cans of coconut milk, 1 cup of water, and mix well. Because I'm out of bamboo shoots and eggplant, I substitute potato. I added more peppers to increase the spiciness. Cover and let it simmer for 15 to 30 minutes. Add a whole lemongrass tied firmly. Cover and let it simmer for another 15 to 30 minutes or until sauce is thick and meat becomes tender. Season with fish sauce, sugar, and mix well. Discard the lemongrass and the chunks of ginger. Lower the heat, add and mix the basil. Serve warm with jasmine or sticky rice and enjoy!